that I actually wrote with your conductor wherever they are. Yeah, and Gail! Yeah! What was the best stop that you made? Any of you? Favorite stop?
Montgomery.
Montgomery one.
Got out of the bus.
Oh! At the other stop, did you not get out of the bus? What?
We never did any of the tour thing. So Montgomery was the first stop that we actually did it. Museum.
Oh, what museum?
The Legacy Museum.
Oh, I don't know anything about that. What's the Legacy Museum?
The Legacy Museum is a museum that documents how documents slaves to now incarceration.
Oh, wow, that actually sounds really cool.
It's a fun time.
Very nice. So that was the, did you do any other touristy things? You got barbecue there. Nice.
I got sushi.
Classic sushi of Montgomery.
That is the best sushi in
There, no.
I know you're bad in Montgomery.
Montgomery sushi, we now know. All right. So who was planning on this? Okay. You go second? Not Justin. Okay. Not Justin. Anybody not named Justin? Wow.
My middle name is actually Justin, so.
And they have to be different. Whenever you're ready.
Hey, my name is Nico, and we are Matchstick. Did you know that engineering team
You got it, girl! Whenever you're ready.
Meet Monica. Monica is an amazing designer. Now meet Corey. Corey is an incredible developer. Corey implements Monica's designs, but because of the inevitable inconsistencies between Monica's designs and the implemented website, there's always work that Monica has to do that is extra. She has to go and spend 5 to 10 hours a week going to the website and saying to Corey, hey, can you move this column 5 pixels to the left? Or can you move this logo 10 pixels to the right? Or she can use Matchstick. Matchstick takes in 2 links, a link to your original website and a link to your design. We compare the two so that Monica, our designer, does not have to. Nearly all engineering teams use automated tooling. In fact, they spend nearly $19 billion a year to do so. But only 5% of design teams use automated tooling. So because of that, 95% of the market is what we are hoping to capture. We are Matchstick, and our product is fully functioning and live, so we elevate engineers and designers to the heroes that they always were.
Who originally pitched this idea? Whose pitch was this originally?
On the bus.
Yeah.
To be fair, Liz drove it. She made me do it.
This makes way too much sense to not be your idea.
I did almost nothing for this. Honestly, these guys drove this all the way.
Really advertising your teamwork.
So my question is, the design space is always constantly evolving. How are you guys going to integrate with existing tools that are coming up? People are constantly changing those. Like, how are you guys going to stay current?
Yeah, so the answer to that is, like you said, integrating with their existing pipeline. So we are going to be full chain agnostic, which is a term that he invented. But we plan to plug into existing pipelines so that it's not a additional effort, so that it's easier to use our tool. We recognize that there is a barrier to entry for them to use that. We're trying to get closer to the pipeline and to where they're actually developing the product. So we hope to use integrations like that here in
Sorry, one more question. And the design to be collaborative? Because obviously design seems to be a very collaborative industry. Is that something that
Yeah, so the tool is meant to be used by both the engineer and the designer, so that the designer doesn't have to do all the heavy lifting. So the ideal workflow for this is that the designer or the engineer can go through, run that report, compare the original design to the current website, and then all of those differences can automatically be generated into Jira tickets, so that Monica or Corey don't need to go through and copy and paste all those differences into their ticket.
So obviously I'm assuming the monetization model is subscription. Is that correct? Anything else that I'm missing there, or is that we're just going with subscriptions?
Yeah, so B2B SaaS product, we are expecting, the free product is actually already available, which is you can enter in your original design and a link to your current website, and we will compare the two of you for free. But if you would like to export into Jira tickets, we will charge up to $800 a month.
Charge how much a month?
$800 a month, which
$800 a
is
month.
on par with pricing standards.
So who's using this? Yeah, do you have any subscriptions or any signups?
We do. So we talked to 10 companies about this, and we did 10 customer validation interviews from designers at a number of different companies, including Amex, Goldman Sachs, Clearbit, a blockchain startup Monica works at, and all of the designers that we talked to said that they would use this. All of the engineers were like, hey, it's a waste of our time, frankly, to have to nitpick over these differences with our designers. And if you've ever worked in engineering and that sort of team, it is incredibly frustrating to do that.
How old are you? Technical?
Yeah.
So, it's usage-based pricing. There's a couple of tools that are already out there on the market that are developer first, and they run start at free, $25 a month for small teams, up to $800 a month for enterprise teams, based on the usage that you're running. And it's based on number of screenshots and designs that you're comparing across different.
Is there anything similar already?
So there's two products out there right now that are, like I said, developer first. They require developers to go in and write visual tests that then are automated into their build process. Our goal was to say, our thesis was that developers aren't measured on pixel perfection, but that designers are. So make it designer first. Make sure that a designer can do it without requiring any developer input whatsoever. Get into the enterprise, and then we can work on deeper integration once we're inside.
All right. Thank you.